Howdy. Got another programming job here. This is for a 2016 INFINITI QX60. I'm going to be trying to use an aftermarket Prox and the IM608. Sometimes the aftermarket Proxes don't work too well for INFINITI, so I'm not sure how it's going to go, but let's go through the steps here to do it. We'll go into manual selection, North America. I'm going to find QX60. Make sure you don't pick Q60. You actually got to go down further and go to QX60. Got 2016. That's correct. Now, if you want to be lazy, you can go into the mobilizer status scan, or you could just go straight into the control unit. I'm going to go into the control unit because I prefer it to do this way. So it wants me to turn the hazards on. I will do that. It wants me to open and close the door. I'm not going to do that because I just sat in the car, so that's pretty much what's just done. But that's just to make sure the BCM wakes up, and I'm pretty sure the BCM has woke up right now. You can hit the start button there too. That will do it. And just so you know, I'm not trying to program a fake key. You see, it's no key ID registered. So let's go to remote control learning, smart key learning. Let's hit OK, then immediately push this to the start button. So I'm gonna hit OK, and I'm gonna come here, put that to the button, and we see it done something. So now it wants me to press the button until the dash lights up. So I'm gonna push the button, I'm gonna hold it down, and there we go. Once the dash comes on, you let go of the button. Basically, that it was, unlocking the steering lock, and sometimes it's got to do a different process to do it, I guess, to get it to, click open. So I've turned the switch off. I'm gonna hit OK, go to the next step. Now it wants me to push the start button with the logo. Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna come over here like this. I'm gonna hit it. You see it flash in there? That's good. Now it should come on by itself. You don't push the button, except for that one time. You don't hold it down. You just push it. And when you push it, you'll see it flash like that. It will come on, and then I think I missed it in the video, but you'll see the immobilizer light come on. Okay, and when this is all done, after about 3 or 4 seconds, go ahead and cut it off. Gonna come back over here. We're gonna hit OK. Oh, it's already working. I accidentally hit a button, and it accidentally locked and unlocked the door. So that is good news. So it says it's done. Let's go ahead and do this process one more time. Okay. And then we're gonna cut it off. We're just gonna wait a little bit. And then we see the key registration complete message. Okay, so now it's done. So now I can go ahead and start the car. That's all good. I'm gonna cut it off. Going to lock and unlock. Let's see. Where's lock? There. Okay, so there's lock. There's unlock. Looks good to me. So aftermarket Prox IM608 INFINITI QX60 of 2016. No problem at all. Job is complete.